Good morning. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Vandana Sebastian Bawa. Taking you to some big breaking news coming in. Congress left red-faced after a shocking video emerges from Deoria in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, a lady party worker was manhandled and assaulted for trying to seek a party ticket. BJP leaders have hit out at the Congress party, asking Sonia and Priyanka Gandhi to explain themselves. Meanwhile, the NCW says that it will take cognizance of this incident. Well, those are the visuals on your screens of a woman party worker of the Congress being manhandled simply for questioning the party's choice of a candidate for the by-polls. Let's listen in.
अंदर सचिन नायक जी बैठे थे और लोग भी बैठे थे। मैं गई, उनको बुके दी और बुके मेरे हाथ में ही था। मैं उनसे बोलने लगी कि आपने किसी मतलब मुकुंद भास्कर जैसे रेपिस्ट को टिकट देकर बहुत बड़ी गलती हुई है, इससे पार्टी की छवि खराब होगी। मेरा ये कहना ही था कि पीछे से किसी ने धक्का दिया, मैं गिर गई। मैं अभी भी विरोध करती हूँ, अपने बात पर कायम हूँ कि किसी रेपिस्ट को टिकट ना दिया जाए। बहुत ज़्यादा मारपीट किया गया। आप देखिए, मेरा होठ कट गया है, बोलने में मुझे तकलीफ़ हो रही है। मेरे कान पर थप्पड़ मारा गया, मेरे कान की बाली जो टॉप से है गिर गया और ऊपर से पीछे से भी। आप देखिए ना कि कितना मारपीट किया गया। मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा चोट आई है।
Chairperson Rekha Sharma joining us in the broadcast. Ma'am, you've already tweeted saying that the NCW will be taking cognizance of the incident.
We are. Early morning I saw this video and I tweeted, we are sending a letter to DGP that these kinds of people should be arrested immediately. This is not acceptable, and people in politics, if they are doing, and I always speak, whether they are from any party, that they should not be allowed in politics, people like these, because their followers are there, and what are they going to follow after seeing them doing this? So this should not be a political issue. This should be a social issue. If people and especially leaders are beating women around in a party meeting, it should be condemned by all, and police should take action immediately.
Right, because the visuals are quite horrific. It's not one or two, but 20 to 30 male Congress workers we can see assaulting that lady.
Yes. And that's why I was really astonished that nobody has taken that issue till I tweeted this. How come it never came in anybody's attention? Why not media or any leader took it up? The action should have been taken from the political party itself. These people should be thrown out of the party also.
Right. The woman has been identified as Tara Yadav. She says that all she did was question the party's choice of candidate, and they reacted in this violent manner.
Yes, that's what I heard, that she just asked for a ticket, and they were beating her up like this. This is very, very sad situation, and we are talking about, all the time empowering women. How will we empower if she seeks ticket and she's been beaten up like this?
All right. Thank you so much, Rekha Sharma, for speaking to CNN News 18. The NCW saying that they are taking cognizance and that strict action should be taken against those responsible. Going to my colleague Pranshu Mishra, who joins us for more. Pranshu, how has the Congress explained this bizarre behavior?
Yeah, clearly, it has come into a huge embarrassment, and especially in the backdrop of Hathras case, Priyanka Gandhi leading the charge against the government on the issue of atrocities on girls and women. This case is again reflecting the patriarchal mindset which prevails across the party line. The manner in which we see Tara Yadav being assaulted and only one or two people actually come forward to save her. The Congress's viewpoint is that the Congress has launched an internal probe with the office bearers in Lucknow. They have sought a report from Deoria district president. Allegation also is that it was Tara Yadav who first flung the bouquet on one of the people sitting there on the dais, after which the scuffle broke out. Well, whatever might be the case, even if she was an aspirant, even if she threw the bouquet, no one gives a justification to the manner in which this lone lady was dealt by the group of congressmen there. So clearly it has come into a huge embarrassment. and what the party sources are telling us that some action will be taken. The matter has also come to the knowledge of the Congress's top brass, including Priyanka Gandhi. And this issue, already a detailed report has been sorted from the Devariya district office.
All right, stay on with us, Pranshu. We have Anila Singh of the BJP joining us as well. Anila Singh, your reaction to this shocking video that has emerged of Congress workers assaulting a woman merely for asking for a ticket?
Absolutely. I came to know about this yesterday and I was shocked. It is so appalling. Like right there in between the, I can say, portion of workers of Congress, this lady, when she asked that, why are you giving ticket to this particular person? He has a bad reputation. He has been in jail for rape case. You should not. And try to encourage women. And she is thoroughly beaten up. She is abused. She's assaulted. What is this? And where is Madam Priyanka Vadra, who is a Twitter politician? For Hathras case, she was showing that as if she is the torch bearer of women cause. And what about this worker from her own party? Her lips are sealed. No reaction. Where is Samajwadi Party? Where are all those NGOs? Why they are shut up? Why they are not opening their mouth? This is called opportunism. This is called photo op. So we are not going to tolerate it. Definitely, it is an issue that should be highlighted. That if you are full of male workers, you are not going to attack any woman like that. So political parties are, our country, our citizens are much above than any political party.
Right, so apparently, like Pranshu, my colleague, was telling us, who's been tracking that story, the lady threw a bouquet apparently at someone, but the reaction should have been proportionate. This is a disproportionate reaction because we have 20, 30 men, then going on to assault her.
तभी मैंने कहा ना, ये पुरुषों के सागर में एक महिला अगर वो कुछ भी रिएक्शन देती है तो गालियां क्या है? हम किस देश में रह रहे हैं? और जो सबसे ज्यादा घूमते हैं झंडा उठाकर और बड़ी बड़ी करते हैं जिनकी खुद की
All right, we seem to have lost our connection with Anila Singh, but at the same time, the BJP hitting out at those visuals that have come in of a lady Congress worker being assaulted by other workers just for questioning the party's choice of candidate for the bypolls.